Okay. Harry, which one is the car? The car, Harry, car. Yes. Good boy. Might move those. Okay. Harry, which one's the aeroplane? Yes. Good boy. Good boy, Harry. Good boy. Ready? You ready again? Are you ready? Harry, are you ready? Are you ready for another one? Yes? Yes? Okay. Which one's the car? Yes. Good boy. Oh, you're so clever. Considering we've just now learnt this. Okay. Which one's the aeroplane? Aeroplane, Harry. Yes. Good boy, aeroplane. Sorry, I scared you that time with him, didn't I? Which one's the aeroplane? Aeroplane. Uh-oh. No, not the car. Aeroplane. Yes. Good boy. Not too bad, hey? I only started that like 3 minutes ago. What's the time? 3 minutes ago. And we've ran out of treats. Oh, hold on. There's one more. Okay. Since you love the car so much, we're going to do aeroplane. Which one's the aeroplane? Harry? Aeroplane. Where's the aeroplane? Aeroplane. Yes. Good boy. One more crumb. One more crumb for the car. Where's the car? Yes. Good boy. Oh, you're a clever cookie, aren't you? Hey? Yes. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come on. Wave properly. Don't be lazy. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No, you just want it up. Yeah. Kiss. Love you. Bye-bye. Okay.